Hello bakers! Today we are decorating TikTok cookies! I am Sophia the Hobbit. Design it, 3D print it, bake it. Now it's time to decorate. I started by outlining and flooding the cookies so they all have a background. Use a stylet to spread the royal icing around and also remove any air bubbles. I was testing out different designs. Some have a white background and some have a black. I like how the TikTok colors pop on both, so they're both a win in my book. As far as the icing consistencies, how liquidy they are, I use a 10-second royal icing for my background flood, and a thicker 20-second frosting for the details. If you want more videos for royal icing recipe or the sugar cookie recipe, check out the links in the description. Let one color section dry a little, or crust, before doing the other half. This is how to get a bevel or a 3D look. I also made this TikTok part a rectangle for the use of other words to be placed, like peace, love, happiness, vacation, birthday. You get the idea. I messed up here, but it's no big deal. I made these for practice. If it happens to you, you can do two things. Let it dry a little and then scratch it off, or you can use a little bit of white on top of it to kind of white it out. To get the right colors for this, I googled TikTok logo colors on my phone. Then I used that palette to kind of judge my icing against it while mixing. For the blue, I ended up with 2 drops of teal and 2 of light blue. For the red, I used 2 drops of red and 1 drop of white, and it seemed like the right color. I use Americolor food coloring. On this part, I had a hard time getting the icing out. I think maybe my icing was a little thick. TikTok is becoming a very popular party theme, and I wanted to make sure that there are cutters available. Speaking of which, free 3D cutter file links are in the description below. Letting each section crust before doing the next is key to getting this look. This cookie shape is actually from the apps on our phones. I was super excited to make it because I think it'll be useful for other cookies like Instagram or Facebook. I looked at TikTok stickers, t-shirts to help get inspiration for these cookies. I wanted to do more hashtag cookies like hashtag famous, but I forgot when I was decorating these. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Remember, the links for the 3D cutter files are below. 3D printers are everywhere, and they're getting easier to use. #future. Shout out to my good friend on Twitch, CakeBeautyHumor. She is one of the funniest, most caring people I know, and she always makes me laugh. Also, she's the reason my nails sparkle. Links below. That's it for TikTok cookie decorating. Thank you for watching. It is a TikTok set, and it is finished. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, cookie friends. I like TikTok. I like TikTok.